It's Coven right here, and in this video I'm basically gonna show you what I'm looking at for this week. Let me share with you what I'm anticipating tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So I'm going to start this analysis with GBPUSD, and because this is the one that is actually giving me a very good opportunity. And I think last 2 weeks we were able to analyze this pair, and I predicted that for me to do anything on GBPUSD, I have to wait for this market to pull back, look for any opportunity to sell. But instead, the market failed to do that, and eventually the market broke, failed to respect our major support level here, and eventually broke to the downside. So now that the market broke to the downside, what we're basically going to do is we're going to go on the weekly time frame to see the clear trend. When you come on the weekly time frame, you can see that initially the market was giving us higher highs and higher lows, but now you can see that there is a shift in structure. The market eventually break this low right here, so it's now giving us lower low. So what we are anticipating on GPUSD now is a short. We'll be looking for opportunity to sell. So weekly time frame, I try to mark out my support and resistances at the key levels. You can see that this is a key level because you can see the area of resistance, and then support. You can see that this resistance has turned to support. So looking at this is daily time frame, and the market has changed the structure right here. You see, so our major support right here, we have this because you see that this level has been tested multiple times. This is a resistance level, and so this resistance has turned to support. Right, you see this resistance has been broken down. So what we're anticipating is to see a selling opportunity right here. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and see. And so my weekly time frame is showing me a bearish structure, and then the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame is giving me a bearish structure, and again the 4-hour time frame is also giving me a bearish structure. So what I'm basically going to be doing right here is I'll be looking for this opportunity right here. So I have drawn my trend line right here. You see that the market is massively selling because this was an area of a major level of support right here. So now that the market has broken, so what we'll basically do here is we'll have to wait for this market to pull back to this resistance level, or if at all hit our, let me say, trend line right there, so that when we see chart pattern on the lower time frame like 15 minutes, then we'll be taking an opportunity to buy. We'll be thinking of selling, sorry. So now that the market, this is actually a 1 hour time frame, and you can see. So if this market broke to the downside and then go back to retest this level of support, it's basically going to turn to resistance, and we can only be taking the trade when the market gives either triple top or double top, or head and shoulder pattern, right? So we'll have to be waiting for a retest of this support, and then from there we'll also be looking at 15 minutes and also 5 minutes, because we're day trader, so we'll have to be looking for selling opportunity on the 15 minutes to see our major confluence, right? So that is my forecast for GBUSD this week, is a selling opportunity because all the time frame is showing me a bearish structure, so I have to trade with the trend, right? There's a saying that you have to trade with the trend, make the trend your friend, right? So you don't want to go against the trend of the market. So we have to wait for a test of this market to the resistance level right here, so we can look for any opportunity of selling on GBPUSD. So let's go to XAUUSD. That is, let me see what is actually happening on gold right now. and you can see that gold was on the strong bullish trend, the uptrending market. This is a very bullish trend, right? So you can see, right, this is crazy, man. So now you can see I've come on this one weekly time frame. I try to mark out my key levels, my support and resistance levels on this chart right here. You can see them right here. So this is my major support and resistance levels. If I come on daily time frame, you can see clearly that and this market has been bullish, but you want to make use of the recent price in the market, right? So I've also marked out my support and resistance level right there, and I'm going to go down to lower time frames. That is 4 hour time frame. You can also see it right here. This is the chart. Okay, so right here is still showing a bullish trending market, right? But it looks as if the market has broke to the downside. There is going to be shift in the market because this resistance, this support level has been broken down. So for now, I'm not going to say anything on gold because gold can be crazy, man. So but maybe tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we'll see the clear trend, whether it's going to be a shift in structure or we should be also anticipating a bullish momentum, right? So, but for now, good, might either sell aggressively, right? So, what I'm currently looking at for on in this week is GBPUSD. So, I think that will be the best setup for us this week, right? You can see there is shifting structure on XAUUSD. So we have to wait for this market to give us another higher highs to confirm that this is actually a bullish market. So if this video is useful, please can you do well to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn notification bell so that anytime I upload this content you're gonna be notified.